There we go. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, my soundboard was not turned on, and it's plugged into my to something else that I had to get all set up. And we're here. We're here. Good morning, Josh. What up, D? Good morning. Good morning to all, and to all a good night. How we living? What's up? Put it in Discord that we live. Just had dinner and ready to have a great week. Let's go. You'll love to hear that. The question is, though, is what's for dinner? What's for dinner? Oh, there is some feedback in my... Hold on. I'm checking the audio chat because I think I fixed my audio issues. I'm breaking up. What do you mean? Like audio is not coming through? Hmm. Okay, it's coming through now. Perfect. What up, Mickey? Does the audio sound okay now? Does it like, I know before it was like quiet and stuff, but does it sound better now than it did like previously? For the people that are in here? I think I fixed it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I did. It sounds quiet. Maybe I didn't fix it. Yeah, there's like, if I turn it up too much, it feels like, I feel like there's a loud like hum though. I don't know. Do you guys hear that? Like, do y'all hear that loud hum? I don't know, chat. I've been having some issues, like audio issues, like crazy. Good now. Okay, good. There. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I don't know why. Like the audio issues have been crazy for me lately. I don't know what's been going on. Also, if y'all can't tell, I've been a little sick. I had like this. My kids, they got like this viral bug that's been going around, and I caught it. My voice is like non-existent right now. Been a little sick. It's not been fun, but we're here and making it. We're good. We're also testing out something a little different today. This week, really. Just going live earlier on YouTube, streaming from 7:30 a.m. Central Time to 9 a.m. Central. Pretty much up until the first like 30 minutes of market open. And then we're going to hop in Discord and stream the rest in Discord. So we'll see how it goes this week. I swear when you get it from kids, it's worse. Dude, it is. It really is. It is not good. All right, let's check on some news real quick. Today we don't really have anything until about 8:45, which is when we have PMI. Wednesday is going to be the big day, though, because we have FOMC on Wednesday. Wednesday going to be the big one. Got sick from my kid, took Friday off to lay in bed, felt dead, and the same all weekend. Yeah, it's going around. There's a lot of this stuff going around. We're at all-time highs. I just noticed. Made new all-time highs. Might be going up to test 22,000 chat. $22,000 looks to be in play. We're about 90 points from 22, which is crazy. See, I need to pull up, get my Tradified accounts pulled up here. We're going to be trading Top Step, Take Profit, and Tradify today, if we can. I don't know if I'm going to trade funded accounts on Tuesday or Wednesday, just given the FOMCs on Wednesday. But I think I'm going to try to trade funded accounts today, though, if we can get some good volatility. Turn the volume up a bit more. Yeah. I'm just trying to keep it from making that humming sound. But there, I just turned it up a bit more. I don't know. You gotta tell me how that sounds. Because there is like a slight hum if I go too high. Which I can hear that hum now. I don't know. Do you not hear that hum? Am I the only one that hears that? Are you going to be explaining when you get into the trade and why you got in? Yes. I do a bit. I'm on my gaming headset. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I can't figure out the reason behind the audio and why it sounds so bad. XLR. Webs, what up? Actually, here, chat. Let me try something real quick. Hold on. Let me just test something. All right, so that hum I have is in my streaming software. It's not actually my mic. I just muted my mic, and it's in my streaming software. So I don't know how to fix that. I'm gonna have to hire like a tech guy to come out here and just like fix it for me or something. I don't know. Or I wonder if I hang on, chat. I'm gonna try something else. Just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna try something else real quick. All right, well, that didn't fix it, so I don't know. Sounds good. We're just gonna deal with it. Sorry. We're trading all-time highs right now. A little bit below it. We're trading 21,902. Looking at 909. Well, actually, sorry. We're looking at 913 as all-time highs now because we did make new all-time highs this morning. RM, good morning. What up? Also, guys, sorry if I sound a little bit like sick. I have been sick over the past or this weekend because my kids are sick, and then I got it. So I've been a little sick. So sorry if my voice sounds a little bit sketchy. Also, chat, I don't know if you guys know or remember, but I'm no longer drinking Celsius in the mornings. I've cut it out. I'm cutting it out. I'm addicted to them, and I'm going to try to find a replacement. And my replacement right now is just lemonade. I really don't stay away from sugar, especially while you're sick. Yeah, I don't really eat or drink a whole lot of sugar. Like this lemonade has a little bit of sugar in it, but not much. But I try to stay away from sugar. As much as I can. Every now and then I might have like a little slip up, but whatever. I stopped all energy drinks because it messed up my stomach. Yeah. I'm just trying to eat and drink cleaner. You know what I mean? Like all grass-fed organic meats, you know? Just eat a whole lot cleaner. Take caffeine tablets? Yeah, I could. But I'm also trying to get away from caffeine too, though. I feel like if I stopped relying on caffeine in the mornings, that I'd probably feel a lot better. Take an EpiPen. Not awake until you have your coffee, especially in the winter. Yeah. Are you gonna? I mean, I feel you. Same. I need something, but I'm trying to not have anything and just drink water and maybe a glass of lemonade or something. I'm still gonna be trading the NQZ4 until there's more volume on the other the other contract. I think there's still more volume on the Z. There's gonna be, yeah, I think there's still gonna be more volume on the Z4 contract. Wait 90 minutes to have caffeine after waking up makes a difference. We're gonna try to not have caffeine at all. We're gonna try to go caffeineless, chat. We got about 30 minutes to market open. and we're trading all-time highs. It's kind of brutal, to be honest. Looks bullish. Looks like we just go up and rip new all-time highs again today. Maybe if we do catch some bullish momentum, maybe we find a pullback to get in on. We'll probably end up waiting until PMI comes out, I would imagine, at 8:45, because that's going to stir up the market a little bit. My Tradeify accounts, I'm going to trade some micros on them. My consistency rule, I just realized this. My consistency rule is at 25% on my Tradeify accounts, and it has to be at 20. So I'm going to look for like some scallops on some micros, see if I can get my consistency rule down to 20%. That way I can catch the next payout window and get a payout from Tradeify. Good morning. Cloud, what up? Webbs just answered that. Oh, this week's going to be tricky too, Jack, because it is roll week. Isn't it roll week? It is roll week, right? Yeah. What do you mean roll week? Like the contracts, they roll to the next month. So like right now we're on NQZ 2024. It's gonna go to, I believe, The NQH5. That's what it is. So it'll just be a different contract for the Nasdaq, but the different month. But I think the NQZ contract is still going to have more volume on it. So I have not taken any trades yet, no. Right now we're kind of trading just all-time highs, waiting to see how we react, whether or not we're going to sell down or we're going to push up. Just kind of see how we react up here. It's really, it's kind of tricky because we are trading all-time highs. So we're waiting to see a little bit on how we react. See how the Mag 7 opens up as well. See if we can get like a little temp check on the market. Some decent selling here, though. We might get a nice little pullback. Definitely not going to force anything today, given we have news at 8:45, about 15 minutes after market open. Wait for that to play out and then see where the market heads to after that. Selling is coming through. Maybe we come down. Actually, yeah, we'll probably come down into the 80s here. Low 80s. Short till 865. Wish you luck. Good luck. Good luck. Got about 20 minutes till market open here. BW, good morning. Happy Monday. We might look take a short here. Just about probably four micros here. Take 4 micros short. Stop above the highs. Added 2 more. So we're in 6 short, 6 micros short. Six micro short entry is at 895 as an average entry. Stop just above the highs up here. Targeting actually 866. Can I hide the list on the right? I watched this over here because it gives me a temp check on the Mag 7. Right? That's it's got the whole Mag 7 up there for me. From Google, Tesla, Nvidia. Shows me how they're doing on the day. So we're going to move down, looking to come down to at least the low 80s. on the NAS here. I think if we can get a push below the low 80s, we'll come down to those 70s to 60s level. I'm going to add 2 more right there. We'll not push down. So we're in 8 micros short now. Which contract? I'm trading the Z4 contract. I'm not going to trade the new contract yet just because I think Z4 is still going to have more volume on it. But, I mean, we'll see. You respect the live trading, couldn't do it, it'd be too nervous. Yeah, it takes a little bit to get used to. At the end of it, I mean, you really just try to do what you would normally do, you know. What's your criteria to add more? I never add to winning, but I need to change that. Well, I mean, just do what works for you, right? Just do what works for you. I mean, I'm trading micros, so I'm not really risking a whole lot on this. So I feel okay being aggressive on adding to positions, trading micros. But pre-market, I'm trading eval right now. But I do have my Tradeify funded accounts up on my other monitor here, and I'll switch back and forth. Like if I take a trade on my funded account, I'll switch screens for you guys. I normally start trading and I normally start trading on like evals just to get like a temp check for the market, just kind of play it out, see how I feel taking trades. And then I'll jump into fundeds. These kind of streams are the best. Low audience and real traders showing their positions. Yeah. I mean, I will always show my positions. I won't hide a thing from you. Like, if I lose, you guys are going to see me lose. That's just part of it. Right? Ismail, what up? Good morning. That's the decision I'm making. Which contract volume seems close for both? Yeah, I mean, it could be fairly close. Am I here every day? Yes. Ready for full port? Just change your name at this point, dude. Just change your name to Mr. Full Port. Mr. Full Port. Do you find that TradingView is a lot slower than TopStep? I've added the CME data package to try to make it faster, but it's still the same. Is it the same for you or anyone else in the chat? I think it's the same. Should be. Shouldn't be different. Yeah, I guess define what you mean by slow. Like price should all be moving the same. Tick by tick, the candle seems to move slower. Huh. Kind of hovering my break even right now. Hovering my entry point. Market opens in about 8 minutes. Getting a little buyers stepping up here. We'll see if they can hold. I expected a little bit of a pullback. We do have somewhat an aggressive entry on this, but we'll see. We'll try to hold through this. We're only down about 4 points on this trade. Chat, this cough is gonna be the death of me. Sellers trying to come back through. Let's see if we can break. Really need to break down below 888. There we go. That's what we wanted. I was going to get continuation down here. We just need to. Now we need to push through 83. Push through 83. We probably come down to our take profit. Chat, my voice is already going. I don't know how much talking I can do. My voice is already wanting to give up. Okay. Trying to make a run at this 83 level. Market opens here in about 2.5 minutes. Buyers trying to hold this here, which I don't like to see. Need to really push through this here. About a minute and a half till market open. Really need to push this. One minute till market open. Buyers pushing us up here. We got about 30 seconds till open. Our stop is just above the highs up here. So if buyers step up and take us out above the highs, then that'll be it for that trade. We'll see what kind of volatility we get here on off open. Important trend line here, yeah. Buyers looking like they're trying to step up here too. So we'll see. We might get taken out. Yeah, we're gonna get taken out. We'll close that. Took about 250 L on that. That's okay. I was really hoping we'd break the 81 level, but Buyers stepped up, and obviously, if you see this trend here, all-time highs, 21,923. All-time highs in the market. We just are mooning straight up. All of the Mag 7 are in the green except NVIDIA. I am still trading the December contract, yes. I believe the December contract still has more volume on it than the new one. It's close. Yeah. I'll probably stick with the December one for now, and then maybe tomorrow we roll. Tesla up 1.6%, trading 443, pushing 450s. We do have PMI coming out in about 12 minutes. Something to watch for there. We get PMI. Nas just continuing to moonshot, just straight up, bro. This is wild. This is why all-time highs is so tricky. I feel like you just get long, you know, just find a pullback, get long off of, and just ride it. PMI in 10 minutes. All those stops above the higher rocket fuel, yeah, they were. They were. Seller's trying to come through and bring us down a little bit. We'll see, though. I don't really have too much faith in it. I'm gonna have to like conserve my voice, chat. I feel like my voice is already trying to give out. Volume bar is like a middle finger. It really is. It really is. All right, sellers bring us down a little bit here. Kind of just chopping around here. Honestly, I don't really expect like a big trend day today. Honestly, I do kind of expect us to like chop around a little bit, which is making me feel a little extra cautious on trading. Just given the fact we do have FOMC today, or well, sorry, this week, not today. We have FOMC this week on Wednesday. So today could feel maybe a little bit choppy. Not expecting a whole lot of a trend day, but we'll see. We'll see. Sellers are coming through. Looking like we might come down and run 87. We'll see. I'm going to let the market kind of play out, wait for PMI to come out, and then we'll look to take something here if we get an opportunity. But it's Monday, start to a new week. We have a little bit of news. Just got to get a temp check on the market, see how she is feeling. And it looks like she is feeling more all-time highs. Let's take a look at the ES. See what the ES got going on. ES trying to get a little bit of a push up here. There goes Nas pushing all-time highs. ES getting a little bit of a buy up here as well. All-time highs continue, chat. Can't stop, won't stop, and is not gonna stop. We do have PMI coming out in like 3 minutes ish. More sellers coming through, at least trying to. Interesting selling here. After making all-time highs. Nice little rejection. Nas looking to make a move. $55-point range so far, yeah. I'd like to see us go down and run 88 here. PMI coming out here in about a minute and a half. We'll wait and see what PMI brings. Got about 40 seconds. Getting a little jumpy. There's PMI. Not really a whole lot. Not a whole lot happened there. We'll see if we can get a move up to like 28 or so. Maybe like 30s. Still kind of favoring shorts. I know we're at all-time highs and we've been continuously making all-time highs, but I'm still kind of favoring shorts today. We got a 15-minute here. 15-minute feels a little more bullish, but watching it up here at all-time highs again. If we get another reject of all-time highs, we might take this. All right, I'm going to front run 4 micros here. If we get above the highs, I'll get out of the trade. I'll give it a little bit of wiggle room above the highs, but if we start just looking like we're going to rip, just continue running, I'll get out of it. But if we catch some more selling here, then I'm going to add to my position and aim for us to go down and break 88 if we can get more selling. Looks like we might actually go up and run the highs. We'll get out of it if so. Not risking a whole lot. Still watching here. Kind of hovering all-time highs. We'll see if we can get it to reject and get sellers to push us down here. Those buyers are persistent. Trying to reject all-time highs again. Sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. I don't like it. Ready to get out of this if we just go up and rip all-time highs and look like we're going to continue to run it. Okay, there goes all-time highs. We're going to give it a little bit of grace because we are trading micros. We're in a very small position. But if we look like we're going to get rippy, then we'll just get out of it. Yeah, getting rippy. All right, we'll close it. We'll take a $250 loss there. That's 2 L's, 1 pre-market. One more L on this account. We'll probably shut down this account and then get out. We'll go to a different account. Nas is ripping all-time highs, bro. I guess I need to get shorts out of my head. Just look for longs. Need to look for longs. We'll try to be a little more patient here and see if we can get a better entry on a long. I'm not gonna chase all-time highs on longs right now. I feel like chasing longs are just dangerous. I'm not about that life. My luck, what would happen though, is if I just got out of it and then sellers come through and just rip us straight to the downside. That would seriously be my luck. We are going to stream here on YouTube for another like 30 minutes. And then we're going to stream in Discord the rest of the morning. So if you're not in Discord, link in the description. Join up on Discord. We're going to finish the stream off from 9:30 to 10:30 in Discord. So in about 30 minutes. Sellers coming through. Trump's giving a press statement from Mar-a-Lago at 11 a.m. That'll be what, 10 a.m. Central? We'll stream that in Discord. Chat, give me just a second. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, chat. Had to get my kiddo situated. Yep. Nas just in rip mode. Still. Nas ripping higher, just continuing to make all-time highs over and over. I guess the longs would have been off this pullback here at 90 at 47. I'm just not like feeling all-time highs, chat. I'm really not. Like, I know it's just ripping and it's continuing to rip higher. I'm just not feeling it for all-time highs. Like, anybody else feel that way? Is it just me? I know we've been like just in straight up rip mode. I just don't feel comfortable trading all-time highs and trying to long it over and over. Looks like I'm not alone on that thought. Yeah, I just... You just feeling shorts, too? Okay, so I'm not alone here. I'm not alone. It's tough. It really is tough. I don't want to risk my funded accounts on all-time highs right now. I haven't placed any traded fund accounts, just don't feel it. Yeah. I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you. If there is a theme here, though, I can say this. I mean, today is shaping up to be a red day. Be my second red day that I've had. Had one red day last week. Over a month time frame, you know. 2 red days in a month. That's fine by me. That's fine by me. We knew the red days were coming. We knew they were coming. Two red days in a month is nothing. Yeah, I mean, we've had such a large green streak that I'm eventually gonna have a red day, right? I'm not a perfect trader. I gotta have a red day at some point. So it was to be expected. It's also just a dicey week. It's a roll week. We're all-time highs. We have FOMC. Like, this week sucks for trading, to be honest. It really does. It's not the best. To have all three of those in 1 week, roll week, FOMC, just holiday. It's not great. To be honest, we may trade this week. Let's see. Hold on. We'll probably trade this week, and then I'll probably trade Monday, and then I'm gonna take the rest of the week off. So for the 24th or the 27th, we won't be trading, and then we'll come back that next week. So we'll trade this week, and then Monday of next week, and then we'll be off the rest of the week until the 30th. Would it be bad if I had a contract waiting to sell at 22,000 and drop back down? No. I don't think so. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like we're going to go up and chase that liquidity up there, though, at this point. We're only, what, 17 points away? Chat, I don't know about where you guys live, but we had some massive storms last night. Like, winds were insane, bro. I mean, literally insane. We had like straight line winds last night of up to like 50 miles an hour, I think. It was wild. Woke me up at like 3. I think is what it was. Are we about to go chase 22,000, chat? I'm just waiting at this point. I'm just trying to be a little more patient. I feel like I've taken some bad entries, and I'm just gonna. I'm waiting. A bit of sellers pushing through here. Buyers are just persistent, bro. They are persistent. They will not give it up. Is this where we reject, chat? Or is this just a pullback to get long off of? What do y'all think? Long into 20,000? You mean 20? Wait, long into 22,000? Oh, 982 was your entry? Okay. Trying to get moved down here. You guys rejected from a pivot? Yeah, these sellers getting aggressive. Getting a little aggressive. kind of shocked that we didn't go hit 22,000. Kind of shocked. Chat, we're going to be hopping over to Discord here in just a little bit and streaming the rest of the morning in Discord. And then we're also going to watch Trump's little press conference. Chat, I think what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and just end the YouTube stream. I'm going to get my kiddos situated with breakfast and all that. And then once they're situated with breakfast, we'll hop in Discord. Should be about 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to end the YouTube stream. And then here in about 10 minutes-ish, I will be in Discord. We'll stream the rest of the morning in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, click the link down in the description. We're going to be doing more streams in there outside of YouTube. So if you want to catch more streams, we're going to be doing a lot more in Discord. Link in the description. Fam, I will see you in the